Welcome to Emammy Group of Schools, Main Campus.
My name is Naomi, a parent at Emammy Group of Schools, Githurai Main Campus. Today we had such an exciting moment at Emammy Group of Schools where we engaged with our teachers, the teachers to our learners, and we had a great opportunity of seeing our learners progress at school. And this has enabled us to strengthen the partnership between the parents and the teachers.
Thank you, Mom and Dad, for paying my school fees. Who help me learn and pray. Who take good care of me in every single way. Thank you for taking me to Emammy Group of Schools. For sure, this is our home, away from home. My God bless you. I love you, Mom and Dad. Thank you.
Learners showcased various activities that were practical, which included beanbag making, basket weaving, using manila paper, toy car making, beading, and also ball making. This has enabled us to see the confidence, the creativity, and the teamwork which were displayed by our learners. We sincerely appreciate the teachers and the entire Emammy Group of Schools, Githurai Main Campus, for organizing such a meaningful and memorable day for both the parents and the learners. I encourage my fellow parents to consider enrolling their children at Emammy, where learners are nurtured, supported, and given the opportunity to grow academically and creatively. Emammy Group of Schools, a school with a vision where great minds begin and grow.